This is our basic routine video for the V-Waltz pattern, this slow single-time version of V-Waltz for slow dancing, for wedding dancing. And we have our first 4 patterns that are all free in this YouTube playlist we're going to put together in a small routine. So the first pattern we're going to use is those basic hesitations. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll do the hesitation and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do the 4 forward walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're doing this walk around turn. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can now start from the beginning and go back in the direction. So it looked like this, hesitations, here we are, and then this hesitation and turn, 2, 3, 4, and then we go walking steps, 2, 3, 4, and then we go into the walk around turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is the first 4 patterns all in order, and you could use it going back and forth in a small space.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you somehow found yourself here without learning any of those basic V-Waltz patterns, I'm going to leave the playlist below and you can check those out. We teach them step by step thoroughly each pattern. This is just a way to connect those patterns easily and practice maybe the steps, maybe lead and follow after that. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Leave us a comment down below letting us know maybe what you want to see next or what we could do better. We're always looking for feedback. And go ahead and check out our Ballroom Pro section on our website. We have a lot more stuff for you there, including more advanced patterns in the V-Waltz, also the rest of our dances as well. So check it out, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again very soon.
See ya!